This amount of loan is still unpaid after 10 years. I want to know how much more time is required to repay the amount of $65,000 loan with quarterly payment of $500.71. This can be calculated by using NPER function. This function calculates the length of the payment period. Click NPER function sheet, active cell reference D8, click financial arrow button. Scroll down, click NPER function. This function calculates the total number of payments period required to repay a loan amount. This function has 5 arguments. These arguments are the same as described with the PMT and FV functions. In rate argument, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PMT argument, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV argument, select this cell reference. Leave blank these two arguments. In default, 0 is entered in FV argument and 0 is also entered in type argument. Click OK. Reduce the decimal places of this value up to 0. Click Home tab, Number Group. Click this button and decrease the decimal places up to 0. So function returns 243 number of payments in this cell. 243 payments are required to fully repay the amount of this loan. Now, to calculate the number of years are required to fully repay the amount of loan, active this cell. Divide the total number of payments by the value of quarterly payments per year. Click in formula bar, enter equal sign, click this cell reference, enter division operator, click this cell reference, press enter key. Reduce the decimal places of this value up to 0. In number group, click decrease decimal places button. Decrease the decimal places up to 0. So function returns number of years 20. 20 years are required to fully repay the amount of loan if quarterly payment is $500.71 and total number of payments period are required to fully repay the loan amount 243. So NPER function is used to calculate the length of the payment period.